Monday, folks. I'll tell you, I'm going to be like the old coo and lean over the dyke. That's all coos do. They lean over the dyke and look at you and go, moo. I'm not going to go moo. Anyway, you remember, this is the job we done at Girvan. Look, I added some extra touches with the funnels for the heavy duty carts. But tell what I did, because they're that nice of people, for Barbara and Billy and Barbara's sister. We've done these as a wee extra, as a wee thank you, a wee gesture of kindness to nice people. We put their round slabs there and the wee floors there. They're no lovely. Then all the chip, you'll see all the chip down, so it's kind of lift up. Do you remember we done that? Well, this is the finished product, and we're waiting a chance to let you all see it. Then we come out and we shut the gate, and there you go. That's his badge. Now, another wee message. Yet again, the old gate for 25 years ago is still standing with the WSH fencing badge on it. And something else I'm going to tell, oh, there I'm fine, there you go. See if I fail there, that'd have been a good video, wouldn't it, please? Oh, aye. Anyway, hello to Adam Neil. Adam, I got your cake on Friday and I ate your cake, right? And I forgot to say hello to you, and I'm sorry, Adam, right? But I'll see Lillian on Thursday night and I'll tell her that tell Anne to calm down and everything's all right. And give Lillian some cake to give me on Thursday night when I go in to see her at her work. Okay, so there you go, folks. We're leaving Girvan. We're going to see Barbara now because she's wanting more work done at her own house. So there you go, little acorns. If you do a good job, this is what happens. You get more work out of it. Never let nobody down. She's all there, folks, and I'm going jigging round the corner to down by the harbour.